Hello everyone, Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to do another unboxing of my favorite subscription company. Let's take a look at what we're doing. Alright, so magic at your door, big surprise. So a couple videos ago we did one, looked just like this. But that was the gold box, this is the bronze box. This one's only $74.99 and that includes shipping. That's all coming up right now. All right, let's jump right in here. So, all right, monthly newsletter. Boop, throw that up there. So this is the same one from the last video, so it's showing the color codes so you can figure out what your value is. It talks about their third birthday, happy birthday magic at your door. Very cool. And how you can earn money with a referral program. So when your friends see your box and they use your promo code, they can go in and get a discount, and they also get a kickback, which is the same for us. So if you don't have any cool friends that get magic at your door, I'm your new friend. Use our code DD10. I'll tell you about all that later. There's going to be information in the description for it, and I'll get into that a little bit later. So, birthday confetti. Let's go. We just recorded another video and we just cleaned up, so we're going to do it again. There's a big plush in here. It's from one of Mary's favorite movies. I can't remember her name. It's almost like I have short-term memory loss. Anybody know? It's Dory! Dory is 1950 in the parks. Super cute. I love the little freckles. Nice. All right. Got our legendary pouch. We're going to do that last. Remind me. Right there. Just point at it when I forget. Alright, and we have some Figment Mystery Collection pins, so some blind pins. These are the options. We like Figment. Let's see what we got. First one. Guess who? It's Figment. That is really cute. It's actually feels like thicker than they normally are. It's a very nice pin. I'll do a better picture in the photo box. Boop. And there are two in there. All right. Very cute. How many of you guys like Figment? I know people are always either like, they love them or they hate them, but we definitely like them. I like the original ride over the updated ride, but still like Figment. Put that one in the photo box, boop, so you can take a better look. All right. Ooh. Mary's gonna freak out. There's a little poo in this bag. Oh, you can put your makeup in poo. $10 from the parks. Just a little makeup bag. She's very excited. All right. I think we have one thing left in here, and then we have legendary pouch. Haven't forgotten yet. Oh, sweet! I like Metal Earth. So, I've done the Haunted Mansion. I recently got the monorail, which I'm halfway through. The monorail has so many wheels underneath it, it's ridiculous. But this is the Main Street Station. We're eventually going to build our own Disney and open it up to the public so you guys can all come. $21.99 in the park. I'll throw a better picture in the photo box so you can see it. I know I'm not going to get a chance to get to the... Well, that's not true. I might get to it. Let's find out together. If I put it together, it's right... Boop. Is it there? If it's there, I hope it's cool. Alright. We'll see what happens. And finally... Let's see what's in the pouch. I'm getting there. It's in here somewhere, I promise. Oh boy. This is for Mary's doggy. Not my dog. This is for Spike, a 5-pound Yorkie. And I would be willing to bet that Mary put this on the wish list without my knowledge. Is that true, Mary?
Very much true.
That's very much true. Super cute. It is Mike and Sully. I don't know if you can see. I've got a better picture right there. This is $17.99 in the park, and that will double the price of our dog. Just kidding. All right. Very nice. So, like I said, we paid $74.99. That includes free shipping. And the total value of everything that was here is boop, right there. So you can see. Definitely worth it. Love me some Magic at your door. If you want to get your own box, the code, boop, DD10. So if you go down in the description, there is a link to Magic at your door. And you can put our code in there, and it will save you $10 off your first box. So that saves you money off of the gold box, the silver box, or the bronze box, or Magic AF box, or the one-time box. And even right now, I think there are a few Lilo and Stitch boxes left that are one-time boxes. So it will save you some money off of those. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, right here. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, click the button right there. Hope you are having a great day.